In today's video, I want to show you how I make these carnivore, I'm going to call them carnivore, but they're also low carb buns. And I've been seeing these on YouTube, on Instagram, and I've made them twice, and they are really, really good. And they're made so different than what you would think. And the way we're going to make these, and the way I like to do this is very quick. So I'm just going to tell you the ingredients, I mix them together, and then I'll put them in the oven and I'll show you what they look like. So these buns have no grains in them, no gluten. This right here, which I'd never heard of before I started hearing this recipe, is heavy cream powder. So it does have fat in it, but it is the powder. We're gonna have 3 eggs and then 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I got the aluminum-free baking powder. And then I have this to make buns. And so I've already, put butter on this. You could use fat, any kind of fat you want to use. You could use olive oil. I don't think it matters, just as long as things don't stick. And I don't trust not putting anything on it. So what I'm going to do is I am first going to beat the eggs, and then I'm going to mix in the heavy cream powder kind of slowly. And the main reason, and I still use the beater, but the main reason I do that is because the dust just it's everywhere. So I just do it a little bit slowly, but only that's the only reason that I know to do that, but because it just makes such a mess. And then I'll mix in the baking powder. I've already set my oven at 350 degrees, and I will be baking them for 20 minutes, and then we'll see how they turn out. But for right now, I'm just gonna pause. I'm gonna mix this all together, show you what that looks like, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so here it's all mixed up, and it's thick. It's pretty thick, but it will rise because I've made this before. But something I always forget to do is introduce myself. I'm Teresa Hewlett. I am Dr. Steve Hewlett's wife, and we work together to get people healthier, get them off medications, and in that process, if you have weight to lose, your weight will come off. But he is a doctor of pharmacy and has been for 35 years. And so we have courses, and we love working with people. And we have one that'll be in the description below. It's our basic essentials course, $29. I mean, and you get all the things you need just to get started. And we would love to help you guys. So that'll be below. So anyway, back to this. So here we have this really, really thick batter, and I'm gonna just put it on here. I'm gonna go ahead and just show you just how thick this is, because I'm gonna be able to make more than 6 buns with this. Because last time I made a loaf, and it was my first time making a loaf, and then it did what you would think it might do. It did go flat. So I was like, why don't we do buns? And besides, that's what people really want. They really want to be able to have a hamburger with the bun, because we definitely always talk about, definitely Steve does, getting the hamburger without the bun. You could have everything else on that hamburger, just don't get the bun. You could have lettuce, tomato, egg, cheese, guac, whatever, lettuce, or the mustard, you get what I'm saying. So I forgot to show you. So that's what that looks like. And I'm just gonna do this the whole rest of the way. I'll show you what that looks like. Another thing you could do, which I haven't done yet, because I was thinking lemon would be really good in this and give them a lemon flavor. But you could probably, add cinnamon or anything that you want to give these any kind of a flavor, vanilla, that you want to give to these. So I'll have to try that another time, but that is just something for you to think about. But I'll come back and I'll show you what this looks like and how much I'll have left to make more of these whenever we return as well. And so this is what this looks like. And I was wrong. It took all of it. So if you need more than that, obviously just double it. I think I told you guys everything I put in this, because it's 3 ingredients unless you flavor it. So it's 1.5 cups of the heavy cream powder, which I will link below. And then the tablespoon of baking soda and 3 eggs. And that is it, you guys. I watched in a video where maybe if you beat the eggs a little longer, the consistency of your bread will come out differently, but I get a little impatient. So I beat it very well for, 20 seconds. I don't know. kind of lose my patience with it. So I'm not really sure, but there's something to think about. But I'm gonna put this in the oven for 20 minutes and I'll come back and I'll show you guys what they look like. So I remembered about 10 minutes into me setting this timer that when I did the 20 minutes before, I have made, and in the loaf pan, it's like, oh, this shouldn't be cooking that long. So this has been 10 minutes and they are just beautiful. If you can see these, I'm gonna see if I just pulled these out. And they are, they're so pretty. And I'm gonna be tasting one pretty quickly. I want to see how hot it is, but you guys, this is incredible. Oh, so it's a little warm. I can do it. And I want to spread it apart and you can see the steam coming off. These are amazing. This is beautiful how these have turned out. I'm so excited. And I've tasted them. So in the loaf pan, they did fall flat. So I'll be curious to see what these do in the next, 15 minutes or so, but there's really nowhere for them to go. So they should be fine. They should be perfect for a sandwich. And they are so good. So I know that there's other, low carb breads and they have eggs, which I have made them, and they have an eggy taste. And it's nice to have a texture whenever especially if bread, if people are really missing bread. You do eventually, if you stick to a low carb lifestyle long enough, you do get to where you don't miss the bread anymore. But once I made these, I was like, okay, these are nice to have, maybe make once a month or something. We just don't eat much bread, but sometimes it's nice to have something, because I always make eggs in the morning and I always think some bread with my eggs would be good and I could toast these. So I don't think I need to tell you anything else about this. I did cook these at 350 for 10 minutes because of this just being so, so much thinner. So as you can see, they just, I can't wait to eat this. And put some butter on it. You can put whatever you want on it. You could even sprinkle some cinnamon if you didn't add it while you were cooking it. But so this is the, low carb buns, 0 carb. I'm pretty sure there's not hardly any carbs at all in this bread. So I think you guys will love this. And again, like I said earlier, I think you guys would love our course. And we don't just talk about, so Steve does talk about medications and how to help people get off like type 2 diabetes medications, blood pressure medications, cholesterol. But we also are gonna talk about your mindset, and we're gonna talk to you about how can you do something and not quit. Break promises. We're gonna teach you how to keep promises to yourself. A lot of mindset work, and I just really hope you guys consider it. Click the link below. It's only $29, and it's just our basic essentials course to get you started. And that's all I'm gonna say about that. So I'm so glad you joined, and I'm hoping to see you guys in the next video. Thanks, bye. I'm sticking this part in here because I totally forgot to tell you guys. I baked these with, it's cooled off. I made 6 and there's only 5 because it was so good. I just went ahead and I ate it. I ate one of them. And it looks like this because I did sprinkle just a tiny little bit of cinnamon. And some people complain about the bottoms, but these bottoms turned out amazing. So I don't know if it's the silicone pans or what, and this has been several minutes and they are still just perfect for buns. And they're so good, you guys. But I did forget, I wanted to tell you all about this. So I used this silicone to make the buns. And I had watched a video and they recommended putting it on top of something solid like this. So like these baking sheets, so that when you pull this out of the oven, this is what would happen, right? So this is all gonna bend. Maybe you guys know this. I didn't know it. But for those of you that didn't know it, so that is ingenious, I thought. And the heavy cream powder, I've put it away. I don't know. Oh, I threw it away because I finished it. Hang on. I want to show you. So this is what the heavy cream powder looks like. This is what I've ordered, and this is what I will put a link for down below. And I'll also look for a link for the silicone bun pan. So I just wanted to come back on real quick. I forgot to tell you guys that. So anyway, have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.